Hello, today I'm going to make a review on my Balisong. It's a Böker Plus, and yeah, here is it. It comes with a Torx screw for the 10 pins and the other smaller ones. They are size 6 and 8. And inside there is a, just a leather for value and so on. This box is pretty nice because it's very hard cardboard with magnetic clips. I like it. So, and here's the Balisong. It's made after a well-known Benchmade 51. I don't own a 51 by myself, so comparison not possible. Yes. About Böker, this is a German brand, but in German Balisongs with a sharp edge are illegal. So they made it for Austria, where I live, and I think Slovakia, and mainly for Russia. It's made in China, so it's a CCC if you wanna call it, but with really good materials. And yes, it's using a, maybe you can see it, I'm not sure, but on the blade it's 440C steel. The handles are black G10, blue titanium, and this, I'm not sure if this is titanium too or stainless steel. The latch is steel, the screws are steel too, the spacers are steel, stainless steel. And yes, it's the price range from a Kimura, or here in Austria a Kimura costs 150 euros, which is $184, and this one costs 120 euro, which is $148. So it's a bit cheaper than a Kimura. And yeah, Kimura has really no spacers, but this one has, as I said, stainless steel spacers, which adds a good mount to the end of the handles. So I think it's a better flipper than a Kimura, probably, because I wanted a lighter Balisong for beginning, because I heard that they flip easier and a bit faster, so I don't know. Yeah, it's about the half, the price is about the half of the Benchmade. So I give it a try. I bought this 1 month ago and it's really durable because I dropped it countless times and the handle fell off only once after 3 weeks without Loctite or any retightening or stuff like that. It was my fault, so yeah, I bought some Loctite, used them on both pivot screws, and it lasted. So you wanna see the handle play? It's not the best one, I think. Yeah, it's okay. You wanna know some data about it? Its overall length is 9.3 inches. The blade from here to here is about 4.1 inches, and the handles are 5.1 inches. On weight, it's a bit lighter than the 51. I don't know why, because it has thicker handles. turn on the camera. Not the camera, this little thing here. Don't know how to call it in English. The first setting is gram. Hope you can see that. Now go to ounces. It says 3.031 ounces. So don't know why it's lighter than a 51, because as you obviously can see that the handles are thicker or wider than on a 51. It's not that small little delicate Balisong. It's a bit thicker than a Kimura too, and yeah. So okay, the construction or the quality of the construction is not the best, but for China I think it's really good. A few things that I noticed are, sorry, my left hand flipping is terrible, that I'm not sure if you can see it, but the handles are not exactly same round here as this curve, like on this side it's better. And the handles, maybe you can see it when I'm holding it in front of something white, that the handles are not same thickness. Get the ledge out of the way, maybe you can see it. The bite handle is a bit thicker than the safe handle, which is weird, because it makes the bite handle heavier than the safe handle, especially that I can take this off because of the tube screws, or what they are called, that the screw sticks on the pocket clip. So when you're removing the pocket clip, you remove the screws too, which is bad. Let's leave it on the Balisong 51. Closed. Spring latch. Not a spring yet anymore. And closed. Opened. No spring latch. So it's the same as on a 51. And that's pretty cool for half the price. Now a cutting test. This knife is sharp, not extremely sharp, lol. But yes, as you can see, sometimes I don't know, it's sharp, but not extremely sharp or razor sharp. One thing is that if the handle gets too loose, hope you can see it, hope I can manage that you see it, that the blade could hit the titanium liners. But after Loctiting, this happened anymore. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. Thanks for watching.